Good morning, bearable traders. So this is Dmitry. Today's my third day live, and today was a red day for me. I hit my max loss. $100 is my max loss. I am down 105 today, and I took three really bad trades on Apple, and that was it. And I'll talk about them right now. Not much to say. So the first trade I took on Apple, obviously Apple sold off, and it was a money machine for anyone that went short. But I'm a little long biased, so I was completely blinded by the fact that it was downtrending, and I was just trying to catch a reversal at just tunnel vision, which is something I definitely need to work on. But I took a long position here at 202.19, and I don't know why I took it. I just had some FOMO and was hoping that it would reverse, and that's just what I thought. And I got stopped out right here at 201.68. So that was my first loss, loss of $53. My max loss per trade is $50, so that's how I set up the risk reward. See, my next trade I took on Apple was right over here. Again, thought it was going to reverse. Didn't really set up a good risk reward. Didn't set up much. It was a combination of FOMO and wishful thinking. And I got stopped. You know, I can easily say that, oh, I should have held, but it's okay. I got stopped out here for a small loss. And then finally I had my third losing trade was right over here. Went long and got stopped out. And these were just not good trades on my part. I wasn't really thinking about risk reward. I wasn't thinking about entry. I wasn't looking at the overall picture, which is right here is the overall picture. And I just got tunnel vision on a reversal, and I could have caught it right here. And I don't know why I went short here. It was new low, higher low, higher low. But I went short, and that's okay. I did have one good trade with IBM, and I'll go over that one before I close off for the day. I was watching, I don't know how I started watching IBM. I think I saw it on CNBC today, and I just thought I'd keep an eye on it. But I saw that it ran up, you know, a good amount, so I obviously missed my opportunity to go long here, I thought. Right here, I saw it losing some strength from the high of the day, kind of playing with this moving average. And so I thought I'd go short. My risk was real tight. I thought that you know, it was at this 9 moving average. You can it's at the point where it can either pop up or pop down. So I set my entry was 118.76, and I set my stop loss right above this candle at 118.88. So about like a $12 risk, and I was hoping to get to VWAP. So that's to me is a good risk reward. And I was just waiting. I saw that it retreated back here a little bit, but I was patient. I really wanted to get to VWAP as my first profit target. Didn't quite get there. I saw this big candle move over these moving averages, and I thought I'd get out just below break even for a small $12 profit. And that was an okay trade. I'm happy with how that went. I stuck to my plan, and I just got out when I saw that it was losing, gaining some strength. And overall, I'm red today at minus 105, and my max loss for today is 100. And I actually adjusted my share size on Apple on that last trade based on my stop loss. I thought that it was going to reverse up here. So and I had a stop loss right below VWAP. And because of that, I had to take a smaller share size. So instead of 100 shares, I took 50 shares because I had about a $30 margin of error, so I had to take a smaller share size, and I got stopped out, reached my max loss for the day, and that's it. I was really tempted to continue trading. I still am tempted to continue trading. I mean, we're just watching Apple here. I mean, I'm really tempted. I mean, this candle, I could see a whole bunch of reasons to enter in my mind. I'm trying to convince myself. I know I'm not going to, but I'm trying to convince myself to do so. But I hit my max loss, and it's still a good day if I stick to my rules and I follow my max loss. I might go in the simulator, but it's still, as far as I see it, it's still a good day as long as I stick to my rules, and that's what I'm going to do. And that's it. One red day is not really gonna turn me off to this. So that's it. See you guys tomorrow.